Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to crochet a leaf bow for scrunchie. We need a pony and any kind of crochet yarn. I am using a 3-ply yarn and I am using a 3mm crochet hook for my project. First of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this and make a slip knot with the help of crochet hook. After making a slip knot, make your base chain 1 2 3 4 5 6, complete total 31 base chain for this project. After completing 31 base chain, go into the second chain from the hook, pull the yarn and make a slip stitch. Now go into the second chain, pull the yarn and pull through 2 loops to make a single crochet stitch. Then wrap the yarn around your crochet hook and go into the third chain, pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Now again wrap the yarn, go into the next chain, pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops to make a double crochet 2. Now wrap the yarn twice and go into the next chain, pull the yarn and pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops and then pull through third 2 loops. Now again wrap the yarn twice, go into the next chain, pull the yarn through first 2 loops, pull the yarn through second 2 loops and then pull the yarn through third 2 loops. This is our middle chain for our leaves. So wrap the yarn twice, go into the same chain again and make triple crochet 2. Wrap the yarn twice again and go into the same chain again and make triple crochet 3. So into this middle one we are making 3 triple crochet stitches. Now wrap the yarn twice and go into the next chain and make 1 triple crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn, go into the next chain and make 1 double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn, go into the next chain and make double crochet 2. After making 2 double crochet stitches, go into the next chain and pull the yarn, then pull through 2 loops to make a single crochet stitch. So this is the half shape of our leaf. Now into the next 10 chains we are going to make 10 slip stitches. So go into the next chain and make slip stitch 1, into the next slip stitch 2, into the next slip stitch 3, into the next slip stitch 4, into the next slip stitch 5, into the next slip stitch 6, into the next slip stitch 7, into the next slip stitch 8, into the next slip stitch 9, into the next slip stitch 10. So make 10 slip stitches, and after making 10 slip stitches we are going to repeat the same pattern here. So go into the next chain and first of all make a single crochet stitch, and then wrap the yarn, and into the next stitch make one double crochet stitch, then into the next one again make one double crochet stitch. After making 2 double crochet stitches, wrap the yarn twice, and into the next chain make one triple crochet stitch, then wrap the yarn twice again, and into this next chain, which is our middle chain, we are going to make 3 triple crochet stitches. So this is our triple crochet 1, triple crochet 2 into the same chain, and into the same chain triple crochet 3, three triple crochet stitches. Now into the next chain make one triple crochet stitch, and then into the next chain make one double crochet stitch, into the next chain make one double crochet stitch, then into the next chain make one single crochet stitch, and then into the next chain make one slip stitch. So this is the first half. Now we are going to repeat the same pattern to the opposite side. So to start, into the same last chain make a slip stitch again to the opposite side, and take this starting yarn tail between your stitches while working, and go into the next chain and make single crochet stitch, then wrap the yarn, go into the next chain and make double crochet stitch, into the next chain make double crochet stitch, then wrap the yarn twice after making 2 double crochet stitches, and into the next chain make triple crochet stitch, then wrap the yarn twice, into the next one make 3 triple crochet stitches. Now into the same chain make 2 more triple crochet stitches, 1 and 2. After completing 3 triple crochet stitches, into the next one make wrap the yarn twice, and into the next chain make 1 triple crochet stitch, then into the next one make 1 double crochet stitch, into the next one make 1 double crochet stitch, and then into this last one make 1 single crochet stitch. So this is the leaf. Now simply make 10 slip stitches, and then again repeat the same pattern for leaf till the end. After completing the whole and making the last slip stitch, pull the extra yarn and cut the extra yarn. Now weave this extra yarn with the help of needle to some backside stitches. Now make a slip stitch. Take your yarn to the back side, and then simply weave this yarn and after weaving this yarn cut this extra yarn and cut this starting yarn tail too. Now simply make a knot. And after making the knot, you can see these two leaves form a very beautiful little bow for this scrunchie. So it's super simple and easy, and you can use any kind of crochet yarn, even leftover yarn, to make this super simple and easy project. So must try this for baby ponies. I hope you guys like this pattern. So must try. If you have any questions about this pattern, please ask in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.